Alright, what's up people? We are at a Wacky Wednesday. John is making some incredible food. What do we have here? Some nice
chicken curry.
Oh wow, man. A nice display. Rotis. Holy moly. Always the best and always incredibly tasty. But we are busy with Theo's 350Z and it's starting to come together. So we all know Theo, Herman's son. Herman decided to buy his son a wonderful 350Z. Yep, not just any 350Z, this one right here. It looked like it had a hard life, but it actually didn't. It just found itself in a little bit of a sticky situation. Of course, we could see the potential out of this car and we thought, why don't we tackle this and bring this car back to life? So, this is us doing just that. Check it out. So this is mine. This is on Theo's car. Of course, it is bent. And we got to fix that, but his car is also not lined up properly, so they're using my one so that they can actually line up the body. Name, what we do? We line up the body.
I'm not doing anything. I'm retired.
Of what?
I'm working on cars.
Are you the celeb now?
I'm a celeb. I'm just here to model. That's all.
Just here to model. Now show us what you're working with. Put on the music. Steel toes.
Of course.
Is this one bent?
No, the left-hand side is, but we're going to replace the right anyway, just so that we know it's done.
But yeah, it's starting to look like a car again. Of course, it's almost a mischievous car. With a new fender, put the light back on, put the bumper on, and this car should start looking like a car.
Try to catch me howling at the moon.
They pull this balance down, the pin will drop. We'll close it. We'll close this.
Okay, that's quite a lot.
Oh, that's just when you like a vending machine. You throw the coins in. Oh man, yeah.
Extra maths lessons is more important than working on toy cars. No, they moved his stats lesson to tonight. So he was going to be here, but he couldn't be here now because of that.
Education is important because he has to afford this car.
He's got to pay for the petrol.
So, extra math lessons, gotta do it. He's a boss though.
I think Theo's going to like this bumper. Duct
Eh?
taped already.
But where did you get this?
The guy from Fury, I don't know if they used it or if he bought a car with it on or something, but we bought it from him. It was only 1,000 rand. There's now a bumper available for 7 grand or something.
Guys, remember this is not his. He has actually nice black rims, eh?
Yeah, he's got narrow wide black rims upstairs.
He'll put that on there, and then this car will look.
That'll be very nice.
You gotta get your reaction, eh?
I saw it when I was driving past here. Oh my word.
Saw it, eh? What do you think?
Oh my word, it's a lot better than I expected, eh? It fits so nicely.
Yeah, it's coming together.
Now, I know you guys are probably thinking there's a lot still to do, but you know, off to the panel shop, getting it straightened out, resprayed with new wheels. Honestly, it's going to be a game changer, so you guys got to stay tuned.